Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of USD JPY in front of us right now. And if you have watched my previous video on USD JPY, then hopefully you have made good profit, because I mentioned that there is a good possibility of market bouncing from this particular level of 113.40, because this being the support as well as the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. So I clearly mentioned that this had a good potential of a bounce, and yes, as per the expectation, market did bounce as well. But right now you can see that market is trading quite far away from this particular level, and but still this level 113.40, yes, 113.40 is still a valid support for the market. Okay, so your first trading opportunity for the next week is, if market comes down to the level of 113.40 and bounces, we can go for a buy again. And this time you need to be careful, because you can see that, see, this is not a very strong support, or this was not a very strong support at all. And there is a theory in the market, and you should be knowing it very well, that if you find market testing a level too much, or if you see market testing a level too much, whether it is resistance, support, doesn't matter. If it tests too much, then the level loses its strength. If you find market testing a support too many times, then at one point of time market will break the support and go down. In case of a resistance also, if you find market hitting the resistance too many times, that at one point of time market will break the resistance and go up. This being a minor support, therefore there is a possibility of this time market going down as well. So when market will be reaching the level of 113.40, observe the market, observe the price carefully. If you see that market is taking support here and trying to bounce, then only go for buy. You'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer pattern, or if you see a price being rejected from below at the support, you can go for buy, and that will be your first trading opportunity. Okay, if market bounces from the level, that will be your first trading opportunity. Your second trading opportunity is also here. Generally I do not talk about chart patterns here, because see, to be honest, I'm not a big fan of chart patterns, but I think that we have a head and shoulder kind of a pattern here. Generally I do not talk about patterns, especially head and shoulder pattern. Probably I am talking about the head and shoulder pattern for the first time. Okay, generally I do not talk about patterns. Okay, so I think we have a head and shoulder kind of a pattern here. So if market comes down and breaks the support also, yes, if market breaks the support 113.40, you can take a sell position. You can take a sell position below 113.40. So for the chart of USD JPY, 113.40 is a very crucial level. If it bounces from it, we can go for a buy, and if it breaks down the level and goes down, then obviously we can take a sell position below 113.40. So observe the market carefully at 113.40. And apart from this level, we do not have any other prominent level on the chart of USD JPY. Okay, but or if market goes up after the market opening, if you find market going up from here like this, then do not take any buy position, because we do not have any proper support as of now. Because if you take a buy position here, your risk to reward ratio does not match. On the other hand, if market breaks this level, okay, if market breaks this level also, then also I'll not tell you to go for a buy here, because we have got, again we have a small resistance here, again we have a small resistance, again there are multiple resistances if market goes up also. Therefore I am not recommending any buy, because see, there are multiple currency pairs available with plenty of opportunities. Why you should be banging your head taking risk on a pair that you do not understand? So if USD JPY goes up from here, avoid any buy position because of multiple resistances. But it comes down to the level of 113.40, we can have two opportunities. If it bounces, buy. If it breaks, you can go for sell. That's it. So bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.